come follow me. The Savior has said. To learn how to play Come Follow Me on the acoustic guitar. Well, Jesus never said you needed to learn how to play guitar, but my name is Jeff Barlett, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Come Follow Me, which is a hymn for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints on the acoustic guitar. So let's get started on the first verse. So it's going to go like this. E, C, F, E, which will be Come Follow Me. Practice that. E, C, F, E, come follow me. And then the next part you're going to want to go, the Savior has said. Now notice I added the word has to make it easier. You could go, the Savior said. But it's going to be a lot more difficult playing C, B, and an A chord all together at once while holding Savior said. If you're a beginner, you can do that, but I like to make it easier and say has. So I'll go G, C, B, A, G. The Savior has said. I think it's easier to just add the word has, but you could also practice learning the fermata and go, the Savior said, however you would like to do it. So let's practice that first verse with the chord letters. So again, it's going to be E, C, F, E, G, C, B, A, G. So again, come follow me, the Savior has said. And you know, I like to add the word has because going G, C, B, A, G, going the Savior has said is a lot easier than the Savior said when I'm playing C, B, and an A chord all together real quickly. So now, after you practice that first verse, let's work on the next part of the song. It goes like this. Then let us sin, for his footsteps tread. So that's going to be G, A, E, F, 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 G, D, E. Practice that part, and then practice the first two parts together that goes like, come follow me, the Savior has said, then let us sin, for his footsteps tread. Practice those two together until you perfect it. So now let's work on the next part of the song, which goes like this. For thus alone can we always be one. Now I did add the word always, because the way it's supposed to be is for thus alone can we be one. Now again, playing a C, D, and an E chord all together while singing we is going to be pretty difficult if you're a beginner. So I added the word always, saying can we always be one. It's going to be a lot easier if you play it that way. So let's practice this. E, 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 D, B, C, D, E, D, B. So that's for thus alone can we always be one. And the reason why I do this is so you have a chord letter attached to a word, just to make it easier when you sing and play the guitar, because it's going to be very hard to sing if you sing it with all the fermatas, unless you're really good at singing and playing at the same time where you can hold your voice. You can practice that if you want, but it's going to be very difficult if you do it that way. So the last guitar part of the song, so when you're singing, you're going to be re-singing a lot of this, just different words for, different verses, but the guitar part's not going to change. So this is the last part that you'll need to know for the guitar, and it's going to be, with God's own loved, begotten Son. So it's going to be a B chord, so that's going to be B, A, G, C, C, E, D, C. So you want to practice that, so it's going to be with God's own loved, begotten Son. So again, B, A, G, C, and then after you got each guitar section down, what I'd recommend doing is practice with the verse I showed you, so you could, master the guitar part. And then what you do is start practicing with the words. Or another thing you can do is get yourself a notebook and you can write down the letters and the words. So the chord letters and the words to the song, so you don't forget the song or what chords to play. And you could just put this somewhere while you read it and play the guitar. That's something you can do. Or if you want to be more professional about it, is get yourself a hymn book and learn how to read some sheet music. And I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to play the guitar. Thank you for watching, and God bless.